Hello students, from today we will start our syllabus, that is genetics paper, third semester paper 6, that is genetics. So what is genetics? Genetics deals with the study of heredity and variations in living organism. That is, heredity means the similarities between parents and their offspring, and variation means differences that are present between parents and offsprings of same parents produced by sexual reproduction. Understand? Means today we start our first unit, that is Mendelian principle, but our journey of syllabus start from genetics. So what is the genetics? Genetics deals with the study of heredity and variations in living organism. Heredity means the similarities between parents and offspring called the heredity, and variation means differences that are present between parents and offspring called the variation. So how, why this heredity and variation arises, or what are the reason behind this? So Mendel proposed the phenomena of inheritance, that is transmission of characters from one generation to another. And what is the reason behind this? So Mendel proposed that there are some factor and which transmit the characters from one generation to another, and that is responsible for the phenomena of inheritance. And then in 1884 Mendel was died, but he was unknown as a scientist. And the 16 years after Mendel's death, three scientists rediscovered the Mendel's work. And but in that condition, Mendelian factor given the name genes by the Johnson in 1909. Mendel word use word only factor, and Mendelian factor given the name genes by the Johnson. So this Gregor John Mendel was first to explain the mechanism of transmission of characters from parents to the offspring, that is one generation after to other generation. He is therefore considered as the pioneer of the modern genetics, that is father of genetics. Mendel was born on July 22nd in 1822 in a one family, poor family of farmers. In October 1843, Mendel recognized as Augustine monastery of Brunn as a priest. There, after he earned the title Gregor in 1849. During this lifespan, Mendel also attracted towards nature also, and the small plot of land present just behind that church. So there are Mendel used that land for his research purpose, and Mendel selected the garden pea plant, and the botanical name of that pea plant are the Pisum sativum. Then experimentation work continued for about 9 years, from 1856 to 1864. The result of these classical experiments and Mendel's conclusion were published in the journal, that is Annual Proceedings of Natural History Society of Brunn in 1865. Unfortunately, these outstanding contributions were outlooked by the scientific world, and then three scientists came there, because Mendel in 1884 Mendel was died as a Mendel died, but three scientists, that is Hugo de Reis from Holland, Karl Corins and from Germany, and Erich von Tichermack from Austria, and rediscovered the Mendel's work. So this is student, this is the life history of the Gregor John Mendel. And during this phenomena of genetics, some very important terminology are used, and now we are going to state that terminology or basic fundamentals in genetics. So first upon gene. So genes means there are character is determined by the pair of factors or determines present in each cell of the individual. Genes means Mendelian factor given the name genes by the Johnsons, I already explained. Genes are the unit of DNA and which are responsible for the appearance and inheritance of character. Then what is a phenotype? Externally visible characters of an organism due to the interaction of genes. That is a phenotype. Understand what is the genes? So genes are the segment of DNA which are responsible for the inheritance of characters from one generation to another. And Mendel was unable to use this word genes, so Mendel used the word factor, and the Mendelian factor given the name genes by the Johnsons. Then what is the next terminology? Phenotype. externally visible characters of organism due to interaction of genes called the phenotype. Just for example, tallness versus dwarfness, yellow seeds versus green, round shape versus wrinkled, because Mendel selected the pea plant and the botanical name of the pea plant are Pisum sativum. And so he observed that the some contrasting character in that pea plant. Okay, students. So some have the this 7 pairs of contrasting character we will study in next period. That is, some pea plant have the tallness, some pea plant are dwarfness, some pea plant show the round shape of seed, some pea plant have the wrinkled shape of seed. So generally, tallness versus dwarfness, this character you have to observe by your naked eyes, and this is the phenotypic characters. Then what is the genotype? Genetic makeup of organism, that is genes are present on the chromosome in a specific way, and that arrangement of genes on the chromosome, that is the genotype or genetic makeup of organism. Just for example, tallness is one of the character controlled by pair of genes, that is capital T or small t, because here one of the genes are dominant and other will be recessive. So what is the difference between the dominant and recessive, we will study in next uh, session, or we will start this dominant and recessive relationship or homozygous, this terminology we start now. But details and scientific explanation regarding these terms and by using crosses we will study in next lecture. So what is the homozygous? Mendel proposed that each and every character is controlled by genes, and when two genes are in one pair are similar, both may be dominant or both may be recessive, they are the homozygous. And when the pair of genes for particular character are different, one are dominant and other will be recessive, this is a heterozygous, because homo means similar and the hetero means different. So what is the allele or allelomorph? The characters are controlled by genes. So this allele is a Greek word, means belonging to one another. It refers to one of the two members of gene pair, means two or more form of gene, that is called the allele or the allelomorphs, means which represent the alternatives of character and are present on two separate chromosomes of homologous pair. What is a homologous pair? The morphologically and genetically identical chromosomes, that is a homologous chromosome. So gene pair T1 gene are capital and one are small. So these are the two allele. One allele are dominant and other will be recessive, because dominant character are indicated by capital letter and recessive character indicated by small letter. Now what is a dominant and recessive? So the gene, one pair of gene are present for the particular character, and the gene which is able to express itself in presence of other gene or in presence of recessive gene, this is the dominant. And keep in mind, dominant character always indicated by capital letter, and the gene which is unable to express itself in presence of dominant, this is the recessive gene, and recessive character always indicated by small letter. Understand, student? So in F1 hybrid, dominant character always express. The next term here, monohybrid cross. Mono means one and hybrid means mix. The cross in which only one pair of contrasting character is involved, because Mendel studied the 7 pairs of contrasting character uh, in Pisum sativum. So the cross in which only one pairs of contrasting character is involved called the monohybrid cross.